How to create an account on Uscreen. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create an account on Uscreen. This is how to go about it. The first step is to launch your web browser, and then on the web browser's page, click on the search box and then type out Uscreen. By typing out Uscreen, you'll be brought to the page where you would see by the right side you would see some information about Uscreen. And by the time you scroll down, you'll see Uscreen. Ensure you select the blog post that talks about Uscreen so that you can be directed to the website. So by selecting Uscreen, you'll be taken to the new screens page, and then on this page you can decide to either book a demo or start free trial. All right, so that is the only way you can create an account. So click on start free trial, and then you'll be taken to the login page. So on this page you can decide to sign up with Google, or you can decide to sign up manually by entering your first name, your last name, your email address, and your password. For me, I'll just sign up with Google. I choose the easy way. All right. So select Google account that you've synced to your web browser already. If you've not synced your Google account to your web browser, you might not be able to sign in with your Google account this way. You would have to sign up your Google account on your web page first, and then you can now select sign in with Google account, and then you wait for the sign-in page to load. So once that's loaded, you can now see the page, the Uscreen's page, and then you have to customize your membership. So what would you like to build with Uscreen? Depending on what you would like to build, you can select any option here, and then if there are no options, click on the none of above, please specify. Okay, for me, I'm just going to select membership for specific skills, and then how did you hear about Uscreen? So you can just type out how you heard about Uscreen. Notice that this is just an example from my hand. Then click on continue your trial, and then you would wait for the page to load. And as you can see, I have an account created already, and Uscreen, you have access to all of the pro version since this is a free trial. So after 14 days, I'll be required to upgrade. So this is how you can create an account on Uscreen. Thank you for watching and have a good day.